In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove job alerts on LinkedIn. Whether you're on the hunt for a new opportunity or simply want to stay updated on the latest job market trends, LinkedIn's job alert feature can be a valuable tool. Let's dive in and walk you through this process step by step. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already, you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, use your email address and password. And just a note, if your account is secured with two-step authentication, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your login with a code sent to your registered phone number. This is an excellent security measure to keep your account safe. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on LinkedIn's homepage. Now direct your attention to the top part of the screen and look for the jobs icon. It's usually represented by a briefcase symbol. Click on this icon to head over to the jobs section of LinkedIn. This is where you can explore job opportunities and manage your job alert preferences. With the jobs page open, look over to the left hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. What you want to do next is click on Preferences. This will lead you to a variety of settings related to job searches and alerts. In the Preferences menu, locate My Interests and click on Job Alerts. This section is where you set your personalized job alerts based on your interests and job preferences, allowing LinkedIn to notify you of new job postings that match your criteria. Here's where you can modify your alert settings. You'll see a section labeled Top Job Picks for You. If you wish to stop receiving these alerts, all you have to do is toggle the switch off. This will prevent LinkedIn from sending you push notifications or email updates regarding these job picks. Once you've made your adjustments, be sure to click the Done button to save your changes. It's important to remember to hit Done, as this will ensure that all of your settings are updated accordingly. And there you have it, you've successfully managed your job alerts on LinkedIn. Whether you're adding new alerts for job opportunities or removing them to reduce the clutter in your inbox, this process is straightforward and efficient. LinkedIn's tools are comprehensive and designed to help you effectively manage your career search. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your LinkedIn experience. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.